In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Bosch remanufactured fuel injection pump for the Cummins application. So you can see the Bosch sticker there, made in the Czech Republic. Another thing you'll notice on the Bosch exchange units, Bosch puts this original seal on the box so you can tell that it's original Bosch and it hasn't been tampered with. We're going to go ahead and open this one up and take a look at the product. So we'll just cut that seal, and then once you get the box opened up, you'll encounter some cardboard, and we're going to open this up and there will be some instructions or some information on the exchange in a bunch of different languages, including German and English, and I'm sure French and some other ones. So that piece of paper will be in there, and then you'll notice that the pump itself is in this package, and you don't want to cut through this plastic because you'll be able to put your used core back in this box using this plastic wrap. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out and unload it so you can see what that looks like. So you can see all I've done is unfolded these flaps, and then we're just going to slide the pump out of the side of the plastic like that, and then you can preserve the plastic for when you go to put your used pump back in the bag and then wrap it back in the plastic. And now I'm going to point a few things out about this pump. The first thing is the pump includes a nut and a washer, which is nice. It doesn't look like there's a key on the shaft, and it's because it's a common rail pump, there's really no timing required. And it'll have this Bosch exchange tag on it, which basically, once this is cut, it can't be reinstalled. This is to say that it's from Bosch, it's original, and it hasn't been installed yet. But you can look at the flange and see how fresh the flange looks. It comes with an O-ring, and back here, this is the supply pump, a genuine Bosch tag saying it's made in the Czech Republic, and the type code, there's a date code on there. This was made late of 2024, and that 515, that's the factory code, and that's the Bosch part number there. And then you can see the supply pump on the back, and it's got in and out here with the arrows. And we'll go to, hang on a minute, this is kind of difficult to get off of here, give me a minute. Bosch always puts new inlet metering valves on their reman pumps, which is nice. I think that's good practice. You can tell just looking at the outside of this thing that it's very clean. It almost looks like it's new, even though they do designate this as a remanufactured pump. And then down here, I believe this is the high pressure out, and I'm guessing one of these is supply and one of them is return, although I'm not sure which one is supply and return, but let's see if one's smaller than the other one. Yeah, I'm not sure which one's supply and which one's return, but I think one of these is supply, one is return. That's high pressure fuel out. This is just to circulate the supply, the fuel supply, the metering valve, drive shaft, and hub with the O-ring on it. And I think we've covered everything related to this pump. So yeah, if you guys know which one of these is supply and which is return, if you wouldn't mind putting that in the comments, that would be helpful. Thanks.